What is falling action? So falling action is where the protagonist is at their happiest, right? This is when all the conflict is finally resolved, and pretty much if there's any plot holes or anything else that's missing, they use exposition of dialogue to kind of fill in all of the blanks, everything that's kind of left open. They kind of close it. So if you look at Iron Man, the falling action is him being briefed before he goes on to say what happened from Stark Tower, right before his whole battle or after the battle with Obadiah Stane. People want to know, so he's about to have a press conference about it, and the falling action is them pretty much explaining like, okay, so he's gone, we did this, we're no longer to the strategic everything else, we're called Shield now, and so they kind of close everything to make it solve all the conflicts, to make a resolution for all of it, and that is where it leads to the resolution, and that's what it's going to be in the next video.